Good afternoon. Welcome to Fig and Fruit Nursery and Orchard. We're outside in the outside fig orchard today, and we're going to look at a tree. I bought this as Longue de Aout, Longue de Aout, and we're starting to get some figs off of it. This is second and third and fourth ones. It's well ripened. Thought we'd get it off here and see what it looked like. It's got a good tight eye. Ripened in plenty of time out here. Today is September 6th. Very nice fig. Perfectly ripe. Even got a little ant coming out of there. Ants have already come in here and found it. Oh yeah, got a good skin on it. You might have to try that in the ground in the greenhouse because our skin's like fruit leather. It might ship good as far as going to market. It's got a good flavor, so I wouldn't have a problem. Yeah, I believe that one's ready to go too. Real nice figs. Works great here in Zone 7A, Southern Illinois. From dieback, I don't protect these out here in this fig orchard, and they make real nice large figs, as you can see. So this may be one you want to put in your collection. Longue de Aout. Thanks for watching.